morning, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to cook chicken soy sauce. Here are our ingredients: chicken thigh, cooked ginger and garlic, spring onion, brown sugar, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of soy sauce, sesame, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. It's time to mix all our ingredients. First, we're going to put chicken. Lay on the pat like this. Next, we're going to put the soy sauce. Garlic and ginger, sesame oil, the brown sugar, and oyster sauce. We're going to put 2 cups of water. Add 1 more cup. There you go. And spring onion on top. Here, simple as this. And then we are going to boil for 30 minutes. Let's cover it and put in the stove. There. Okay, let's put now. After the first boiling, count for 30 minutes or let the chicken cook until tender and okay. Let's check. Oh, it's boiling. There you go. Smells good. Let's put the into medium fire. Let's check. Oh yeah, almost done. Let's turn on the other side. After 30 minutes, here you go. Guys, this is easy recipe for the mommies out there rushing home and thinking of what to give for your family for dinner. You can try this menu. Very quick and easy and yummy. Guys, thank you for watching, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification button so every time I have video you will be notified. Thank you for watching, guys. See you again in my next video. Bye.